ni John Rabe.
Provil Bermudez handles. Right now going J-Boy Solis. Harold Sala in the game. First time they met, Harold Sala, tremendous. Whoa, J-Boy Solis again with a block. Luminosi blocked again by J-Boy Solis. John Rabe on the attack. 3-on-2 here. Bermudez, wala. Duba! Pwesto lang.
It was the offensive rebounding by Sea Lions that gave them the lead of 4 points. John Eduba helping out in sa rebound ng Sea Lions.
Sabi sa'yo, ganyang kagaling pumwesto ito si Uduba. Abang-abang. Patrick Aquino. Sala with a foul.
That time around, late ang depensa ni J-Boy Solis and the Sea Lions.
Aha, may ipondo ba ang CEU? May Solis ang Olivares. Huli na naman. Saan ka pupunta?
A very promising player, J-Boy Solis, who's only 20 years old.
Happy Toothpaste, Dr. Edward Sterilized Drinking Water by Euromed. Again, sponsors natin for the UCBL. Aquino sinks the first free throw. Sonny Boy Saber, first time in this ball game to replace Ibuka Uminozi. Patrick Aquino, first time against Olivares. 1 point. Pero isa lang na ipasok niya, pero may lane violation called against Olivares.
It was J-Boy Solis coming in too soon. Kinakailangan pag tumira ang isang free throw shooter, kailangan tumama muna ang bola sa ring bago kayo pumasok to get the rebound.
Wala na silang rebound dahil pinasok yung dalawang free throws ni Patrick Aquino. It's Olivares, 16-14. Olivares with 5 shot blocks. CEU only 1. Eh, yung shot blocker nila nakaupo na si Rodrigue Bondo. Si J-Boy Solis very active on the floor para sa Olivares. Harold Sala trying to penetrate. Then the kick out. Clarence Singh, it's a good thing. Okay na yung kanyang mata. Solis! Bitin yung kanyang layup. Bola na sa CEU. Tuloy lang ang laro. Patrick Aquino. Rick Fuentes, nice crossover move. Then the left-handed layup.
That was a bad defense by the Sea Lions. Isipin mo, pagkalusot ni Rick Fuentes kay Provil Bermudez, nakalusot kay Clarence Singh. Where's the last line of defense?
Deadlock at 16 here in the second quarter. Bermudez, naagawan. Counter steal, Uduba. Singh is blocked by Sonny Boy Saber. Singh getting it back. Solis wants a three.
Meron siya niyan, Benji. Kung meron Rodrigue Bondo shooting from outside na sentro, meron din ang Olivares na si J-Boy Solis can knock down 3-point shots.
Yun nga yung binanggit ni Coach Sean Garcia. Sabi niya, itong Olivares nakakatakot ding kalaban eh. Kung meron lang daw ito na malaki, mahirap daw itong talunin. Sabi ni J-Boy Solis, Coach, ako malaki. Pero Coach yung Garcia respecting itong panig ng Olivares, even mentioning mismo si Coach Potit de Vera ng TIP. Very well coached daw itong Olivares College. Ito, J-Boy Solis doing everything. On defense, blocking shots. On offense, can hit the three-pointer. What else could he not do? HP Products by Advanced Solutions. Manila Bulletin. More of our sponsors dito pa sa UCBL.
Balikan natin yung kay Coach Yong Garcia at kay Coach Mike Sagigit. You know, these two coaches have been trying to out-coach each other way back mga 2005, 2006. So talagang alam na nila ang bawat isa sa bawat sistema. Kaya nangyayari dito is puro adjustments na lang. Parang chess game ang nangyayari dito sa Sea Lions and CEU Scorpions.
Harry Young in the game. Luckily for him, they still have 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. He lost control of his dribble. Pero napatama sa CEO ang bola.
Both coaches rotating all their players. Marami
Oo
ng
naman.
off the bench, marami ng players na rumorotate for both teams.
Christian Diaz, butata. Paolo Timinales providing the defensive job. 1 second shot clock para sa Olivares. Yung binabanggit mo, niro-rotate na talaga yung mga tao rito dahil susunod nga rito, Final Four. You want everybody to click when you go to that playoffs.
Of course, they wanted to be healthy and strong coming into the playoffs. Sabi nga, at the end of the day, it's the school pride that what matters. Kaya kinakailangan makipagtrabaho ang kahit sino ipasok dito, kahit anong kombinasyon. Whether you're in the second group or third group, kailangan magtrabaho kayo kasi kinakailangan pa rin kayo manalo.
The thing about that, pagkapaiksi na lang natin, everybody should be ready. Anytime na ituro siya ni Coach, ready ako, Coach.
Tama ka, yan yung magandang attitude na pwedeng ibigay ng isang player sa kanyang coach.
Clarence Singh spinning, dishing, lost by Christian Diaz. Lumalaban ang Olivares at lamang pa nga sila ng isa, 19-18 here in the second quarter. UCBL, the final day of eliminations, the action sequence, grabe. Pero sabi nga natin, you have to push 100% sa kanilang performance. More action happening dito po sa UCBL. Our time to shine. Inaugural season, pero the excitement, the quality of the games that we have been seeing here, and that's why a lot of people have already taken notice. UCBL. Olivares College by 1. What a big surprise here. Fuentes, one-hander, won't go. At may foul na itinawag rito laban sa Olivares. Uy, punta muna natin ang ating kasama at courtside si Nikki Viola.
Alright, the first half pa lang ng laro pero nagiging mainit na nga ang labanana between the CEU at Olivares College. At kanina ay pumunta ako sa CEU and according to Coach Yong, sinasabi niya sa kanyang team na huwag matakot tumanggap ng bola. At isa pa nga napansin niya sa kanyang team ay masyado silang nag-hesitate gumalaw sa loob ng court. Kaya dapat daw no hesitations na for this game. Back to you guys.
Tingnan natin, yun nga most probably one of the big reasons kaya lamang pa ang Olivares dito. Clarence Singh, his second three-pointer in this game.
So walang epekto sa mata niya. Kasi napaka 20-20 pa rin ang kanyang vision sa 3-point area.
Ang tingin ko nga, lalo pa naging asintado nung tinamaan sa mata.
Ano yun, na-align?
Hindi kasi, di ba, pag babaril ka, di ba, pinipikit mo isang mata mo. Kaya ito kayo, masakit yung isang mata. Pumigit, may pinukul lang tres, kita mo, bullseye! Di ba? Ganyan yan. 22-18. Lamang ang Olivares. Cafe France, Congo Grill, Karate Kid. Thank you very much sa inyong suporta dito sa UCBL. We're really having fun here. Lawrence Ginitaran has got that touch, pero not that time around. And Clarence Singh with a bounce pass. Joshua Almaheda na bitiwan. Ginitaran again with the basketball. To set up. Ito si EJ De Leon. Ginitaran for 3. It's short. Sonny Boy Sabel out rebounding. Harry Young and coming up with a follow-up.
Grabe naman yung rebound doon ni Sunny Boy Saber. Sipin mo, ang nai-box out niya doon si Mike Francis Young.
Dwight Sagigit for 3. Nope. Harry Young tapping the ball to Joshua Almaheda. Harry Young losing control, stepping on the line.
Yeah, good hustle by Harry Young trying to keep that ball alive.
22-20, Olivares lamang ng dalawa inside 4 minutes. Richmond or Archie Sunga back in the game for Dwight Sagigit. Still that struggle for Dwight Sagigit since their last game. EJ De Leon runs Ginitaran. Ball fake. Going for the layup. Ayaw pa rin. 0 of 3 from the field. Ito, Sunga to Sing. Back to Sunga. Sunga with a runner. Not getting the basket, pero bibigyan siya ng 2 free throws.
So good recognition by Richmond Sunga attacking the defense of Renz Kinitaran.
Balik sa ball game si Lord Hieronimo. Short stint para kay Harry Young. At ito si Richmond Sunga converting on his first free throw. 3 minutes and 28 pa natitira here in the first half of the game. Again, number 1 na po ang CEU Scorpions. They have a twice to beat advantage. Pero hindi Olivares ang kanilang kaharap, kundi Colegio de San Lorenzo Griffins sa ating Final Four.
It will also be an exciting match between CEU Scorpions and Colegio de San Lorenzo. Isipin mo, may John Gabriel ka who can match up
Yun
against Roderick Ebondo.
And not only that, remember the first time yung first game ng San Lorenzo laban sa CEU. Tinambakan ng CEU dahil yung outside shots nga ng CEU pumapasok. Mahigpit na si Coach Bonnie. Second time around was a totally different story. Natapos ang first half, tabla yun ha. Dito naman sa ball game na ito, Olivares lamang ng 4, 24-20 as we go into this timeout. Hala, eto ang ating mga for TV. Because you want to be seen on TV. You would love to be seen on TV and we would love to see you on TV. Ito po yan sa UCBL. Napapanood din nyo sa IBC 13. Ginitaran, lost the handle, lost control. Natamaan siya sa ulo. Nagkabanggaan.
Pero may tawag si referee John Olivar na unsportsmanlike foul. And, ang nangyari nyo, yung play papunta na sa front court. Ang nangyari sa back court, merong unsportsmanlike na tinawag. Yun.
Uy, bubagsak yung ulo. Dito
Pero si Almaheda, hinatak ang ulo.
Dito si Lawrence Ginitaran. So 2 technical free throws to be taken by Renz Ginitaran. At meron pa siyang meron pang possession itong panig ng CEU Scorpions. Oh, si Chantal Arboledo naka-standby. Yes, Chantal.
Sabi ni Coach Mike na Olivares sa huddle, dapat maging smart sa defense, sumunod sa game plan para maitigil ang ginagawang attack ng CEU. And sa offense, sabi ni Coach ay naging magulo kaya paalala niya na dapat naka-establish muna para hindi sila magkalituhan. Back to you guys.
Alright. Dalawa lang itong lamang ng Olivares. AJ De Leon. JK Casino seems to be struggling in this game. AJ De Leon getting it back. Ginitaran. Ito nga yung minsan binabanggit din natin rito, Coach Bujing, you know? First batch, second batch, third batch na ito para naka-batches ang kanilang grupo rito, yung pagpasok ng 5 sa loob, no?
Yung rotation kasi ni Coach Yong Garcia. Papasok mo na syempre yung kanyang strong 5.
Yeah.
Then after that, he's filling the game. Unti-unti niya ini-insert ang second group into his third group. Para magkaroon nga naman ng team cohesiveness. Magkaroon sila ng maturity, magkakilala along the way. Kahit sabi mo may mga liga to nilalaruan, iba pa rin yung nagkakaamuyan na word sa loob ng court. Pagdating naman dito kay Coach Mike Sagigit, he will always rotate his players dahil iba ng klase to si Coach Mike Sagigit. Sa rotation sa depensa, mabibilis ang kanyang pag-rotate, paglabas-pasok, para naman laging fresh legs.
Alam mo sa mga teams, colleges, even in other teams, pag basketball ang pinag-uusapan, yung cohesiveness yan na binabanggit mo. Ang usual term nga dyan, the chemistry, di ba? Chemistry. Eskwelahan ito, colleges and universities to. Anybody of these players, favorite subject kaya nila, chemistry?
Parang ako hindi.
Ako favorite ko, math ha.
Wow, wow,
24 all. Quinales on the knee. Too strong. Sunga. Quick pass. Geronimo is fouled.
Good fast break passing by Olivares. Lordy Geronimo getting the rebound, passing the ball to Richmond Sunga and asking for an outlet pass back by Lordy Geronimo.
Proville Bermudez, not too much from him in this ball game, pero ito kumukuha ng buwelo. Kasi malupit din eh. Talagang markado rin ito si Proville Bermudez. It's actually the leading scorer para rito sa panig ng Olivares College Sea Lions.
Alam mo, maganda naman kasi dito kay Proville Bermudez, hindi naghahanap to ng minutes, ng playing time. Basta pag binigyan mo ng pagkakataon, talagang sasamantalahin niya yan.
At 12.3 points ang average ni Proville Bermudez. And in this ball game, kanina mga running shot niya, bitin. Kumikada siya ng isang tres, sablay. Pero hindi pa siya pumupuntos dito in this game. Eh, kanina na yung report sa atin ni Chantal eh. The preparations, yung double the effort nga sa kanilang training. Ang focus na nila TIP. Pero yung sabi nga natin, magandang paghahanda to for TIP dahil yung pinakamalakas na team na wala pang talo, yun ang kaharap nila ngayon eh.
Magandang experience ang makukuha nila dito, whether they're running the system na i-employ nila or game plan against TIP. What's important here is they play hard and they will learn a lot from the #1 team as of the end of elimination round as from the CEU Scorpions.
Olivares taking care of a 2-point lead. Ginitaran missing the outside shot. Jason Opiso grabbing offensive rebound. Inside, traveling on Michelle Veron.
It was a good pass by J.K. Casino underneath the basket to Michelle Veron. Pero maganda pagkakadepensa doon ni Rabusa. Bigla siyang lumabas. Yung binig natanggap ni Michelle Veron. Kaya naging tentative si Michelle Veron. Natawagan siya ng traveling.
Ito na Danilo Rabusa handles the basketball going to Richmond Sunga. Shot clock 10 for Olivares. Sunga behind the back dribble. Rabusa driving and he's blocked by EJ De Leon. 4 seconds a shot clock.
So maganda mga rotation sa depensa na nangyayari dito sa CEU Scorpions. Helping out John Opiso and Michelle Veron sa shaded lane.
Shot clock 4 seconds, ha? Stepping on the line si Sunga.
At that time, maganda yung pagkakadepensa doon ni Lawrence Kinitaran.
A low-scoring game with less than a minute to play here in the second quarter. J.K. Casino. Medyo a little bit of a dry spell for J.K. Casino. Opiso against Lordy Geronimo. Ginitaran throwing it to the wrong guy and Proville Bermudez. Zero pa. Iho si Proville Bermudez. Having a tough time dun sa pagdidribble.
And J.K. Casino is giving a hard time si Proville Bermudez sa pagbaba ng bola dahil napaka-active ng kamay ni J.K. Casino. Kaya lang doon, sobrang active. Napalo niya na yung kamay ni Lordy Geronimo.
Both teams already in the penalty. And the next foul will mean free throws. Rabusa missing it from the outside. EJ De Leon. Ginitaran an open three. Sobra naman. Opiso. Then finding Michelle Veron inside.
An extra pass by Jason Opiso coming from an offensive rebound for the CEU Scorpions.
26 all. Hindi pumasok for Joshua Almajeda. Low scoring indeed. Depensa nga ba ang nababasa natin? Coming from both teams. The final day of eliminations. These two are going to be in the final four. 26 all to end the first half. And right now, konting kwentuhan lang muna tayo rito dahil kailangan natin na malaman din ang tumatakbong mga developments pagka nakakadel ang ating mga players dito. At itong si Richmond Sunga, kasama ngayon si Chantal.
Andito po tayo with Richmond Sunga ng Olivares at first 2 quarters naging mahigpit ang defense nyo. Ano yung sinabi sa inyo ni Coach to keep the game close?
Magbigay lang kami ng pressure sa kalaban para at saka enjoy lang.
Sa tingin mo, ano yung key adjustments na kailangan nyo pag-usapan coming to the second?
Mas kailangan patiinan yung pressure sa taas tsaka yung di makarating kay Bondo yung bola.
And may mga gusto ka bang batiin?
Wala.
Thank you. Back to you guys.
Okay, mamaya na natin siya pabatiin, ano? Dahil hinihingal pa itong si Richmond Sunga. At the moment, it is 26-all to end the first half. Ito pong UCBL, our time to shine. Well, guess what, folks? We are tied at 26 sa ating halftime. Mababa man ang scoring na nakikita natin coming from these two teams. Pero of course, laging ang binabanggit dyan ni Coach Yong Garcia na CEU Scorpions. Hindi masyadong napag-uusapan ang aming depensa dahil talagang ang concentration natin, yung domination nila ng kanilang mga nakakalaban rito. Pero of course, sabi nga natin, patapos na tayo dito sa ating elimination round. 2 round ang pinagdaanan itong ating 7 participating teams. Well, muli po, Benji Santiago. Kasama ko rito si Coach Bujing Akot. At yun nga, depensa para kay Coach Yong Garcia dahil ngayon nakikita natin, lagi na pag-uusapan lang daw yung kanilang offense.
Para sa akin siguro ang gusto nila dito paramdam talaga is yung sistema. Yung both teams want to run their system. It doesn't matter kung mananalo ba sila o matatalo. What's important is meron silang makuha dito na experience, na learning na ibabaunin nila papunta sa Final Four.
Well, sigurado naman dala-dala ng CEU Scorpions ang inaasahan nila dito kay Rodrigue Ibondo. Rodrigue Ibondo, when he started this ball game, he was doing his thing on defense and of course also on offense. Pretty obvious. Look at the way he runs the floor, starting off with a dunk. And then of course para dito naman sa panig ng Olivares, kailangan pumasok yata yung kanilang mga outside shots, lalo na kung nandyan si Rodrigue Ibondo. Makikita natin dito si Oliver Arin coming off the bench, scoring on that point-blank range shots. And then J-Boy Solis with a lot of those defensive jams at talagang towering presence niya in that interior para kay J-Boy Solis. And then Clarence Singh hitting 2 3-pointers at natapos nga yung ating first half at 26-all.
Napaka-balance ng ating laban ngayon, Benji, kasi may sa field goal natin 30% parehas ang both teams. Pagdating sa 3-point department, 3 out of 9 ang Olivares and 0 out of 10 for the CEU Scorpions. Absent pa dito yung mga 3 points ni J.K. Casino and then Oliver Arim and the rest of the shooters of the CEU Scorpions. Pagdating sa assist, Sea Lions passing the ball more with 7 assists and 5 blocks. Ito, 2 dito kay J-Boy Solis with 5 blocks and 4 blocks for the CEU Scorpions.
Ang mga nagbida naman sa ating first half, ito si Rodrigue Ibondo nga with 6 points. Sama dyan yung kanyang dunk. Si Sunga hitting an outside jumper, very active sa kanyang scoring. Clarence Singh natamaan pa sa mata, naging asintado pa. Rick Fuentes, Michelle Veron with 4 points para sa CEU Scorpions. Game is all tied, low scoring game, pero kanino papabor pagka ganito ang sistema na nakikita nating laro? At pabayanan po ang ating second half dito sa UCBL, our time to shine. Here we go with the third quarter of action. Muli po, Benji Santiago kasama ko si Coach Bujing Akot at courtside Chantal Arboleda and Nikki Viola. This game between CEU Scorpions, the second time they meet dito sa eliminations. Final day of the 2-round eliminations, and John Rabe, good to see him back on the floor here and back in action para sa Olivares. Clarence Singh Rabe has to put it up pero balibag na yung tira. He gets it back. Tumama naman sa ring eh. How about this layup? Ayaw pa rin para kay John Rabe.
It was a power rebound by Roderick Ebondo.
In the meantime, ito, ang bola na wala. Pero CEU Scorpions will retain possession. Now I think CEU Scorpions really mean serious business this time in the second half. Dahil nakita ko na nakatayo na si Coach Yong Garcia, Coach Bujing.
Not only that, he has this strong 5 inside. Ito yung best 5 ng CEU Scorpions.
Kickball against JK Casino.
Benji, samantalahin natin itong pagkakataon na to, no? I-congratulate ang Pinoy Youth Dreamers representing Team Pilipinas for winning their first game against Singapore last night. Maraming salamat kay Mr. Alexander Balutan and Mr. Jose Corpus of PCSO. Maraming salamat sa suporta. And of course, Samahan Basketball ng Pilipinas.
Tama ba yung lugar sa Malaysia? Kulim,
Malaysia. That's a 16 under high school basketball championship of different countries.
Sarap pala sa inyo, maging player. Nakaka-travel pa abroad.
Maganda yan kasi maraming mga sumusuporta sa atin ng mga tao na gustong tumulong sa mga kabataan, lalo na yung mga less fortunate ones.
John Rabe. Bothered pa. Ebondo. Pag nandun sa Ebondo, nag-iiba yung tira.
Parang wala ka kasi makita eh.
Yun
Alam
nga.
mo yung bintana, pag nandun si Roderick Ebondo tumalon, parang sarado na yung bintana, wala ka na makita. Pwede ba aninag na lang?
Akala mo, okay na eh. Parang maliwanag. Yung pala may kurtina pa. Kapal pa ng kurtina. 29-26.
Tapos anong kulay yung cortina? Dark pa.
O kaya
gabi.
ini-expect mo eh, no? May view ka eh, from the window eh, no? Pagbukas mo ng bintana, oh. Wall. Wall.
Wall defense of Roderick Ebondo. Ganda ng pagka 3 points naman dito ni Orlan Wamar.
His first basket in the game.
Actually, the first 3-point shot of CEU
Yeah.
Scorpions in this ball game.
Happy Toothpaste, Dr. Edward Sterilized Drinking Water by Euromed. Sunga handles. Great first half for this guy. The nice fake and the shot. Napalipad niya muna si Roderick Ebondo. Sabi niya, titingin din ako sa bintana. Pero bago ko buksan, palalampasin ko muna lahat ng harang na.
Pero maganda pagkakasimula ni Richmond Sunga sa first 2 quarters with 7 points. Tinuloy-tuloy niya to sa ating second half. He has now 9 points, leading scorer of Sea Lions.
JJ Manlangit, the pass inside the JK Casino. Manlangit for 3, it's short. Ball picked up by J-Boy Solis. Pegaso. That fast break play backfired.
Pero yun talaga ang gusto mangyari ni Coach Mike Sagigit, to speed up the offense of the Sea Lions. Every single time there's an opportunity to run, they have to run. Yan ang feeling ni Coach Mike Sagigit na magiging advantage nila sa ball game na to. And also might be the biggest advantage of Sea Lions against TIP Engineers.
CEU by 1 as of the moment. Orlan Wamar blocked again by J-Boy Solis. Clarence Singh stepping on the brakes, going to Sunga. Shot clock reads 12. Sunga with a long three.
Good points for Richmond Sunga. Ang maganda nito, Benji, Richmond Sunga coming from the bench. So dito ang bumubuhay kay Coach Mike Sagigit, si Richmond Sunga.
Ebondo in the paint. Ebondo blocked. J-Boy Solis.
6 blocks for J-Boy Solis. Grabe. It's a monster game for J-Boy Solis.
Sagigit.
After missing few shots in this ball game, Dwight Sagigit knocking his first 3-point shot.
Olivares by 5. Manlangit in the paint. The turn. Geronimo is called for the contact.
tinamaan sa mukha si JJ Manlangit. Ito, ang 3-point shot ni Richmond Sunga.
And Dwight Sagigit follows it up with his own three-pointer. So back-to-back shots from the outside. Up by 5 ang Olivares.